Today's video from SharpHelp, we're going to demonstrate how you can automate your end of day Z1 financial sales report on the XEA207 register. So if you're familiar with the machine, you're aware that it's there's a couple of problems with the way the Z report works. The first is it's a bit of a long-winded procedure, and kind of the second is because it's a long-winded procedure, it's actually quite easy to get it wrong, which can lead to problems with reconciling if the wrong report's run. So to start with, I'll just run you through the procedure as it stands, so the manual version of running the report. You press the mode button, then you scroll to line 4 or press number 4, then you press TLNS, then you scroll to or press 3 and press TLNS, and then you press TLNS again for the general report. The report prints out and you press escape cancel twice to return back to the main screen. It's simple enough to do, but if you get it slightly wrong, you can run the reading version of the report, which looks very similar, and then can lead you to not reset the machine, so that whoever's doing the report the following day has double the amount of data. They have 2 days sales instead of 1. So in this procedure, I'll show you how you can use the auto menu function to set that up into a couple of button presses rather than the 8 or 9 presses it currently is. So the first thing to do is to actually write out the number of steps, because the way we use auto keys on the cash registers, an auto key is basically like a macro key, so you're programming a sequence of key turns or button presses into one button press. So I've written out the steps to automate the Z report. Now you don't have to use it for the Z report, you could use it for £20 cash, so preset tenders, or any other long-winded function that you have to do on a regular basis. But basically when we go into the auto key programming, we're going to press mode 4, TLNS 3, TLNS, TLNS, escape, escape, which that will automate the sequence that I've just run. So it's useful to have that to one side, so I'm going to try and remember it while you're programming the auto key. Okay, so to set up your auto key, first thing you need to do is to go into the program position by pressing mode 6, TLNS. You can then arrow down to setting, TLNS to enter, and then the auto key programming is all under line 13, so you can either scroll to it and press TLNS, or if you simply type in 13, it'll jump into the auto key menu. So you've got 2 options here. You've got key text and key sequence. Key text is just an identifier, so we can press TLNS. We're going to program auto key 1, so there's 5 on there as standard. So we go into auto 1 and we'll just change the name of it, so it'll make it easy for your staff to identify when they come to do the report at the end of the day. Caps button is over here, and we'll just call this one Z report or Z rep to speed the video up. Z space and then REP. TLNS to save, escape cancel to return to the main auto key menu, and then now we're going to go into the key sequence, so highlight key sequence, TLNS to enter, and then now instead of it saying auto 1 it says Z rep, so we press TLNS to go into it. Now we press the sequence of buttons in order to do the Z report, so that's the steps I've written out here. So it's mode 4, TLNS 3, TLNS, TLNS, escape, escape, and then to save we press the auto menu button here, TLNS to save, escape, 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 and then we're now back at the main total screen. So I'll just ring through a £10 sale into Department 1. So we've actually got some figures to report on, and then if I go into auto menu here, and it only gives me the 1 because I've only programmed 1, and press TLNS, it'll basically run the Z report and leave me back at the standard total screen. Okay, hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the XEA207 and other sharp cash registers. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.